Good afternoon, I'm Stacey J and this is my studio. Welcome to my Monday Make Nines for 2024, almost at 3. Welcome back anyone that has been watching me and following me, and welcome to those that might be new to my channel. If you like me, stick around, kiddo. We got some business to do. Right, today is my Make 9 Mondays. I decided Monday was going to be the day that I have you guys remind me that I promised to make 9 things this year. I'm not going to be disappointed if I don't. I'm not that hard on myself. And I'm not going to be disappointed if I don't. I'm not that hard on myself. So basically, yeah, I'm not going to be disappointed if I don't. But there is something that I can and will definitely use in my up and coming life. So I just want to touch base with what I have put in my little box of tricks for there's my folder. All done. There's my smudgy water drop on there, which really disappointed me. But I think I mentioned that before. Am I over it? Apparently not. Right, I Make Nines 2024. It's probably something better I can do on a right. In no specific order. I expect to find a dog barking or annoying me soon because Willow is not in the building. Maybellina is though. Right, we have the Chloe trench coat by Angela Wolf. We have the assembly line, the apron dress. Very excited to make that. Stylark, the Tatum dress. I've got the... Is it just because I start talking, eh? The Embrace Me, my cardi. And we've got the Country Cow design, I'm reading this all back to front. The quiver sling. Do you want to go out and talk to it? Do you want to go out and talk to it? There's no one there. All right, get back inside now, both of you. Get your heckles down and get in there. Get inside, Mabel. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2. By Jingo, by George. Anyway, as I was saying, the quiver sling, my Embrace cardi, that was what it was. The Stylark Elwood jeans. I always think of Elwood from the blonde, Legally Blonde. The V-neck cuff top by the Assembly Line. You've got the classic pants. Now, I am thinking of changing that to the Pukeko pants from the Sewing Revival. So that could be a change up. But I probably won't. Okay. And then, of course, that gorgeous coat by Vogue, which I should be looking at making soon because, look at it. It's even a raglan sleeves. Oh, it's gorgeous. Anyway, so I wanted to update you with what I have done. Now, I would like to, before I really start, and I have already started, I just want to have a shout out and love to Karina in Norway. Thinking of you, honey. That's all I can really say, babe. Anyway. So, speaking of Karina, she sent me some fabric because it was keeping her shelf warm. And it was annoying her that it was keeping her shelf warm because she wanted to warm her shelf with a different fabric. So, I've gone through and yesterday, I basically spent the day with Karina because I made my first Make 9 for 2024. I've got the Karina on the Queenie. Karina. So I have made the V-neck cuff by the assembly line. The fabric, which I'm going to put the sample into my book, the fabric has got a nice wee silver thread through it. And I'm just seeing if you got the right side. This is the right side because it has a little detail on it. I might have to take a photo of it. There, down there is a swirly, but you can't see that. There it is. I can see it. I can see it right there. That there. Okay, that's how I knew it was in the right way. But one of the things that Karina wanted to see with the fabric was a ballooned sleeve. And I think this has taken, well, there wasn't much fabric left at all. And I think this is taken up and used in the best way possible. Okay, do you guys want to see it on me? What? Really? You do? Stand by quarter? Talk amongst yourselves. Just make sure I'm not in the mirror. Nobody wants to see that. I got a white singlet on. You might have seen it in my shorts yesterday. Not in my shorts, I wasn't wearing shorts. But so this is the blouse. And it could be, it's got quite the cuff on the bottom, which is I think it was a 3-4 centimeter turn up, and it's got it sewn down nicely around the neckline as well, with and see the shimmer on it. So you could dress it up and dress it down. It'd be nice with a pair of jeans. Got close to that now. Tuck it in so it can go and sort of drape inside there like that. I'm actually quite pleased with I'm so pleased I got to use the fabric and get a big sleeve out of it too. She didn't put any requirements on it, but we both saw the fact that having a big sleeve would be really, really good in this fabric. So it's, yeah, top of mind yesterday. I used that fabric. It was a last minute thought about using this fabric because I had a couple of others in my mind. One that Georgie had actually sent over from Australia gifting to me. But I just looked over and I went, oh, that could work. And I'm really happy I used it. So yeah, top of mind. So that was my one make down, 8 to go. Yeah, I think a lot of you just shook your head then, eh? Yeah, that's what I did. And I'll put the fabric swatch into my book so that we know what I did. And then you guys can hear me talk all about it next year when I go through and say my makes for 2024, when it's 2025. I should not say it's 2025. I ain't ready for that. So that's with my Make 9 updates. I have finished my dresses for my client. She'll be coming in about 9 minutes to collect them. And I got another Ko-Fi account delivery to me. This is thanks of my mother. As you all will know, if you watched my my chat up yesterday, you know that I shot through and went to the candy store, and the candy store was selling candy. No, I went to the fabric store and I picked up curtaining for my daughter, which is definitely not in the you cannot buy fabric scenario going on. Mabel's having a go. She's annoying me. Can you hop in your bed? Jude's coming soon and she'll give you cuddles. But anyway, my mum has Ko-Fi'd me up. But she didn't co-sign me up with money. She, in fact, gifted me fabric. Look at this fabric. I would put it in a crepe visco crepe. It's directional. Is that right, Willow? You don't need to go out. You're gonna get scared because it's gonna fall off that, and you're gonna jump, aren't you? Oops, there you go. Is that right, darling? So this is the fabric. Tell me it doesn't scream Stacey. Look at that blue. That blue is just, oh, divine. So that was purchased from Morelands, the clearance shed, mate. Okay, so that was purchased from the clearance shed. Mum got herself some of this, and she also got herself more of an aqua blue, ice soup blue, like I could be vilely ill with food poisoning. Chuck blue on me and I'll look just, no, she's good. Let her go. She's all good. It just healthies me up. It healthies me right up. So I did not purchase this. No money exchange hands for this cloth. So the deal though is that it's got to be made sooner rather than later. And what I'm going to make is the balloon sleeve. Be Mine balloon sleeve is what I'm going to make. Now, I know I've heard a few people now talk about the brand new pattern out at Stylark that is like twinsies of the blue balloon sleeve. Just making sure my client's not showing up while I'm talking to myself. And it goes into a V-neck, which I think I can capable of making a V-neck out of my balloon sleeve. Be Mine, let's just call it the Be Mine. Out of the Be Mine, and I can, of course, if I wanted to, drop it down. Which reminds me, my mum's got the pattern, the Sydney dress. I saw someone. Who did I see? Oh, it was on a Facebook page I'm in a member of, and I'm going to say on the fold line, on the fold line. Maybe. Maybe not. But on there, and they had that dress, and I went, because I purchased a bucket load of them ages ago. Mum liked one of the ones that tears down, and it wasn't what I wanted as a tear dress because I have a certain style I want at the top. Hadn't found at that stage the tear, but anyway, Mum wanted this and she wanted it on hard copy. So I purchased them and they sent them over from Aussie, and they are with Mum. That one is with Mum, and I am actually super keen to make the Sydney dress. I did like it on this lady. I do worry though, because I am quite big busted, that it will look like crap on me. So yeah, but check out this. It's just, look at it. That is so me. So me. I love it. Thanks, Mommy. See, it's good sometimes when you ring up. So I've got to go get some curtaining. Want to come? So yeah, you get gifted stuff. You know, I would have bought a shed load of fabric in there. They were having a sale. And although I crumbled and walked past it all, and I got the curtaining, and Mum said, well, I'll just get it. And I went, no, I'm not buying any fabric. Even though Chris had said I could. No, stubborn as a mule, cut my nose to spite my face. I was told that I don't know how many times when I was a child. If I had $1 for every time my mum said to me, cut your nose to spite your face, yeah, I'd be a multi-millionaire. So, I do cut my nose to spite my face, but I'm holding my end of the bargain. So that means if I ever win a bet, he had to stick to it, because I stuck to mine, and mine's my like my everything's buying fabric, you know, storing it. And clicked. Oh, who did I hear? Someone saying collecting fabric. Was it Rachel or somebody used the term when I started collecting fabric? I did giggle. I giggled a bit, to be fair, because we're not collecting fabric. We're meant to be making clothes. But I hear you, got my own collection going on. And I was talking to my friend Susan. She's over in the States. We're grouped with another group of sewists with Angela Wolf, and I was talking to Susan, told her today that I had made this bet and I had lost. I can't buy fabric. And she was like, what? And I said, yeah. She said, oh, however, I do think you've probably got enough that the 2 months will fly past while you go shopping in your own stash. And she's right. And yes, times change and fabric gets different and sales come on, etc., etc. But at the end of the day, I've got a whole ton of fabric. But I like my new fabric. I don't mind getting gifted stuff. Just saying, Mum. Okay, anyway, that's enough from me. You've heard my Monday makes. My Monday night makes was the V-neck cuffed top from the assembly line, which is, I actually really like it. It's an easy make, as Bex from What Bex Sews said when she went away. She did palette cleansers. It was a palette cleanser. So I almost feel I have to add another one because this was so fast. Just saying. Anyway, people, I would love you to, if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe, put the thumbs up. It's really easy. You just hit the thumb and it goes, right? Tell me what you think of my use of the beautiful fabric that Karina. I'm just going to get rid of this mongrel. There you go. Out you go. Go, Muttley. You have no idea what she's barking at. Yeah, tell me what you think of my my make. Did I do good? Did I do good? This thing under here. Oh, and yesterday, if you watched yesterday, I said I was going to shorten the straps of my bra. I did it. Let's see how that works. Let's see if it pings off in the middle of the day or something like that. That won't be good for anyone. Anyway, so stay safe, well and warm, please. Keep cool. Keep on sewing. Hydrate. And no regrets. Yeah, I got to go make curtains for my daughter now. I hate curtains. Anyway, guys, thanks heaps for watching. Catch you later. Bye.